Top 4 online free photo editors in 2022. Number 4. Gimp. Gimp is a free and open source raster graphics editor used for image manipulation and image editing, freeform drawing, transcoding between different image file formats, and more specialized tasks. Number 3. Inkscape. Inkscape is a free and open source vector graphics editor, used to create vector images, primarily in scalable vector graphics format. Other formats can be imported and exported. Number 2. PhotoshopExpress. PhotoshopExpress is the photo editor and design app for users of all experience levels. Make photo magic happen with the PhotoshopExpress picture editor from Adobe. Number 1. Pixlr. Pixlr is a cloud-based set of image editing tools and utilities, including a number of photo editors and a photo sharing service. The suite is intended from the range of simple to advanced photo editing. It features 3 subscription plans which include free, premium and creative pack. Thanks for watching. Hit that notification bell, please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tech tips with NASTEKTIPS.